Today I'll show you the preparation of butter garlic chicken. First we have to marinate 400 grams of boneless chicken cut into small pieces like this with 1 teaspoon of salt. Actually, according to your taste, how much of a salt you prefer, you can add a lesser quantity. So 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of pepper. We have coated the chicken pieces with a tablespoon of corn flour too. Let this marinate for 20 minutes. First we'll take a pan, switch on the flame and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Now we'll add the marinated chicken pieces to the pan. We have to stir fry these chicken pieces on high flame for about 7 to 8 minutes. Then we have to add a pinch of turmeric and we have to stir occasionally until the chicken is done. So we have stir fried the chicken pieces for about 8 minutes. As you can see, the chicken pieces are turning slightly brown. They are almost done. So once the chicken is done, we have to remove these pieces and keep them aside. The chicken pieces are done. They are nice golden brown. Now we'll remove them into a plate. So we have to keep the chicken pieces aside, and now we'll start with the seasoning. So now after removing the chicken pieces, we are adding about 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter melts, we'll add 1/4 cup of finely chopped garlic. When garlic is sauteed in butter, it gives a nice aroma. Next, we'll add 2 finely chopped green chilies. Then we'll add some spring onions, finely chopped spring onions, and saute this. Meanwhile, we'll prepare a slurry with 1 teaspoon of corn flour to 1/4 cup of water. Now we'll add a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Now we'll add the corn flour mixture to the pan. The corn flour mixture helps the gravy to kind of thicken. As you can see, the change in consistency. Now we'll add the fried chicken pieces also to the mixture. Now we'll add half a teaspoon of salt, some chili flakes, and some pepper. Now we'll finally saute this for a minute or 2 on high flame so that the chicken absorbs all the flavors, the chili flakes, the pepper, and the required salt. And once this is done, so now the chicken is done, we have to finally garnish with spring onions. So now our delicious butter garlic chicken is ready. So now let's switch off the flame. It's ready to serve. So we have taken the butter garlic chicken into the serving bowl. As you can see, finely chopped garlic and the chili flakes and spring onion, how they add color and flavor to our dish. So what is left is just tasting this yummy butter garlic chicken.